Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents streaming Gutenberg, and in this video I'm going to discuss the users and output of the separator block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. I already have three paragraphs, and between the third and second paragraph I'm going to add a spacer block which is in the layout element and select the spacer. You can also change the height of your separator by clicking these arrow signs or typing like 160 or something. You can add your custom CSS also and see what's the output. Click on the update button and view post, and see you have a space between the second and third paragraph. If you have any question regarding WordPress, Gutenberg or any blog, you can submit your queries in the comment box below. We would love to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.